And all. My name is M. Hemant. I'm studying in 6th class. My school name is Akash High School. I'm telling about Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan was a great mathematician of India. He was born on 22 December 1887 in Madras during the British government. He had no formal education in mathematician. Before entering the age of 15, he had master in various section of mathematics. He received the K. Ramateja Rao prize for mathematics in 1904. Thank you, teachers and friends.